Greetings from TaiyangNews. I'm Santoshi Thakur. We are at Intersolar Europe 2026 and I'm at the booth of CEA with Lotfi Bounas who will talk about their new technology. Hi Lotfi.
Okay, so yeah, I'm Lotfi. I'm glad to present you what we do at CEA about PV recycling. So we're here showcasing actually this technology we've been working on for a few years. It's all about the end of life of solar panels. As you may know, there are about 80 million tons of solar panels that will happen and be present on the market by 2050. And this is a real topic that we have to consider, and we're working on the technologies that will back up this real topic for Europe and for, I would say, worldwide as well. So we've been developing actually. So we work at CEA on different on the whole value chain of PV. So from the early stage of ingot growth, cells technology, modules assembly, and of course the grid integration of PV. But we also work on the end of life, and we've actually worked quite, I would say, intensively on one different approach of how to recycle solar panels that come at the end of their life. I would say the most common approach is shredding. So we just take the solar panels and we shred it and we collect. That's, I would say, the mass production. It's the most common way to do it. What we did is that we developed a different approach where we actually collect most efficiently the material. So we do it layer by layer, and it's actually just an example that you see here, that actually we take the solar panels and we remove layer by layer from the backsheet up to the front side layers, and then in the end we see here that we've collected powders containing high value materials. Those are materials that really have content that is very important, and I'll come back to this. And in the end you get this actually quite blank glass that can be already reinserted into the glass industry. So in the end, what's very important to know is that we collect high value material. What's important is silver, for instance, glass, of course, copper, silicon. Of course, you can do also some use of the polymers. But yeah, in the end, you collect very efficiently some materials that are very important and that are also considered as critical in Europe, as critical materials. For instance, silver. What we've done also, complementary to this, is that we've also developed some recovery process to really increase the potentiality of collecting this very important material. So really, in the end, we've developed this technology since a few years now. We're working within the frame of a European project called EverPV, and we are working with industrial partner to do really the scale up of this technology. It's at pilot scale now. One of our powder called Ingot is really using this technology, showcasing that it can be a real technology for the industry. And yeah, soon it will be in production, in, I would say, not mass production, but it will be at industrial scale and help to really recycle the solar panel with this differentiated way.